The Novaflex slip ring hose assembly is composed of three elements: a soft end, hard end, and a steel ring. First, align the hoses so that the soft end is directly adjacent to the hard end. With the steel ring 24 inches behind the hard end, insert the hard end into the soft end 12 inches. After inserting the hard end into the soft end, move the steel ring up over the soft end behind the rubber locking ring. This process is done by folding the rubber ring down under the steel ring. Once installed, pull the steel ring back firmly behind the edge of the locking ring and then pull the hoses to seat the hard end firmly behind the steel ring. Disassembly is an easy procedure. Simply take the inner hose, or the rigid end of the hose, push it forward, relieving pressure off the metal ring, then slide the metal ring back over the soft cuff, back over the hose, and then extract the two ends.